Akma Jahim, Fiery Inferno. That's what we got instead of Shadim Shari, Green Paradise, right? That's what we got yesterday. But let's see how today will be. Friday. It's gonna be a busy day here for me. I got a lot of options that are going to need to be tender. Well, not a lot. There's two that are in danger that need to be rolled over for next week. But let's take a look at some interesting stock. TKO. I have been waiting for TKO to come down, and for the first time in months that it is coming down to a point where I would consider buying. Not yet, not quite yet, but you see the alert I set there, right there in that line, the area of this need to be redrawn, the fib. Okay, so let's first and foremost, let's remove this old fib. I should have redo this fib extension a long time ago, but for now, let's remove this fib retracement, take it out, and let's start it here. Let's do a fib extension, fib retracement here on this base and see where things shake out. Okay, 179.09, there we go. Boom. All right. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, see, it's sitting on the fib. Would I love to see it get, if this alert go off, that means that it's very near and dear to the 100 MA, something that it has not seen since the start of the fib, right? So yeah, it would be a good 3 months plus since it's been there, if not longer, closer to 4 months. Yeah, so yeah, would I consider buying? Yes. Would I consider selling put spread below? Yes, but getting close to an area where it's worth buying. Next up, DraftKings. Good earning, nice spike. There's nothing worse or demoralizing than a gap up and slide. Okay, there's three type of gap up, right? You get the gap up, consolidate, up. You get the gap up that will go up, and then you get the gap up and slide. So DraftKings gave you the worst of the kind. It's bad enough that it filled the gap 3 days later, 4 days later, and then it proceed to come down. I was trying to buy right here, but I missed it. Okay, when I saw it coming down, I throw in a real quick order for an overshoot. I did throw out a put spread order as well, and I missed it. That didn't trigger. The bounce was too quick. Regardless, on the draft yesterday, I tried again, but it didn't trigger. I'll take a look to see if it's worth doing it. Of course, I was trying to sell a put spread yesterday for 1 day, expiring today. But let's see what next week look like. Forget today. Let's do next week. A 38, 37. Not bad. You get 20 cents plus. Perhaps between 22 and 25 cents. Yesterday, I was trying to sell the March 7th spread, and didn't work. But today, I tried for next Friday, and I would Would I do a 38, 37? Yeah. How about 37 and a half and 36 and a half? If I can get 20 cents, that'll work too, okay? That's even better. 37 and a half and 36 and a half, assuming that it's gonna go down a little bit at the open. If it go red today, then that 37.5, 36.5 spread will have enough juice for 20 cents. But I don't mind doing 38, 37 either, because 38 is right here, right? Now, the ideal spot is right there. That red flow, yeah. 36, if you want to be more patient and willing to just sit and wait, that's the spot. Put yourself on alert and buy there. To me, that's a good spot. It wouldn't shock me if we get there eventually, okay? The market is not a bullish market overall. Okay, let's talk about casino, which I think there is some good opportunity. First up, Las Vegas, I'm out. LVS, I'm out, right? I had some share that was assigned to me at 43-ish, and I was more than happy to wrote a cover call last week, and it's out, gone. It was gone last Friday. So I'm out of LVS for now. We're profit, and for now it's in a position where I say not good enough to buy, not good enough to short, not good enough to be in it. MGM, which I like more. All right, I bought a little bit, a tiny bit yesterday, but I'll hold off to see what it's gonna do. If it fall off this area, it is already off, right? It need to get up, but it can spend a few days. Let's see. If you go back, can it get down to below 30? Yes. For now, I liked it, but I'm cautiously not gonna put in a lot of money into it yet. Now, would I sell a put at say 30? Let's see what the action look like for the puts. 30.29. For now, it looked like it might get a dime. Not good enough. Okay, not good enough. Not good enough. 30. But on further weakness, it might be good enough. But for now, it's definitely on my watch list to see if it's worth adding. Now, if I got some kind of nasty down on a green candle, okay, big gap down on a green candle, we go, right? Let's repeat ourselves, okay? Just like this. See this gap down, green candle, we go. Up, red candle, we go. All right, next up, WYNN. Much like Las Vegas sand, not good enough to be in, not good enough to be short, stay out. Last on this, something that I don't trade often, CZR. Interesting. You see how clean this chart is? Only 2 lines. Yeah, it's clean. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Right? Interesting looking. It's when it's down like this. Give me a green candle. That's what I'm looking for. This is multi-year low. Let's see, go back 10 years. 10 years. Of course, you got so the only worst time, okay, prior to the 2018, The only worst time is the pandemic low. See that? Yeah. So, how low can it go? Right? How low can this go? I liked it. I just need to see some green candle. Okay, I just need to see confirmation that this slide, as always, when things look so ugly, I always said that I like to see 2 consecutive green candle. All right, it doesn't always work. Okay, 1 green candle is not good enough. 2 or more is what you need. And even then, it does not mean that the bottom is there. Look, see, look at this. Here's a perfect example, right? You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 days of red candle, and you got a bunch of green. So, using the same theory, I'll be buying here, right? And then it's some violent movement, and then the short-term dip. But like I said, down move on a green candle doesn't bother me. See, I would buy. So it's safer to buy on consecutive green candle. It's definitely safest to buy on 52-week low green candle, which is what happened here on this move here. This was a 52-week low green candle here. If you bought in, you'll get yourself a nice, will you believe it, 30% return? Yeah, 30% return in a month. And now you take the stair up, right? Because it take a month. It take a month to get 30%, and it take literally 2 weeks. in half the time to whack you. Okay, so yes, just give me some green candle and I will be in. All right, so that's it. Time for Friday. Let's go.